The USD 323 Rock Creek School District is located outside of Manhattan, Kansas in Potawatomi County. We are currently a 4A district, expected to drop to 3A next year with the new classification system. Within our district we have Westmoreland Elementary, which hosts preschool to 6th grade students, and St. George Elementary, also hosting preschool to 6th grade students. Both of these elementaries utilize multi-age learning, which means that 1st and 2nd grade students are taught together, 3rd and 4th grade students are taught together, and 5th and 6th grade students are taught together. We have found that this allows us to meet the needs of our students and also creates a warm, welcoming environment within the classroom. Students have the chance to build relationships with teachers for multiple years, and teachers get the chance to understand where a student is at for multiple years. Up at the junior high and high school, we currently have a 7th through 12th grade building. In this picture, you can see a 5th through 8th grade edition off of the junior high and high school. This is going to open up space at the elementary school and high school. Ultimately, this will be beneficial as we are quickly growing within our district. Due to the addition of NBAF in Manhattan, we are expected to continue to grow over the next several years. Within our district, we have caring staff, kind and caring students, and very involved community members. Our staff feels very supported by the PTO at our school, and there's not a day that goes by that we are not thankful for the support that we have. The demographics within our school district are the fact that we are a rural district with farming communities in Westmoreland and St. George. These farming communities bring small town values to our community and is something that is very attractive. The housing within our school district is probably where we find the greatest diversity. Although this creates diversity, it also allows students to have the opportunity to appreciate one another no matter what type of home they come from. There are many types of learning activities within our school district. Some of the learning activities are created due to things such as the Kagan strategies that staff members are being trained to utilize. These Kagan strategies help promote engagement within the classroom. Also, we are one-to-one at the junior high and high school level. Students at these grade levels have iPads that they utilize on a daily basis. Due to us being outside of Manhattan, we also have many local learning opportunities such as the Discovery Center. We also take advantage of our school district and get out into the community, such as spending time out on different farms. There are a variety of extracurricular activities within our school district. We have sports such as volleyball, football, basketball, wrestling, baseball, softball, cheerleading. We have band and choir. We have a forensics team, a debate team. We've got FBLA, we have FFA. We even opened a clay shooting target team. So lots of different ways for your student to get involved no matter what their passion is. To summarize, the Rock Creek School District is one that's growing quickly. It has a very family feel to it. The diversity largely is in the socioeconomic status of students, but this is a great opportunity for students to appreciate one another despite their differences. There's many learning opportunities and extracurricular activities for your child to get involved in no matter what their passion is. And for these reasons, I would say that Rock Creek School District is one that is to be a part of.